After 3 decades of managing Mauna Kea, the University of Hawaiʻi received a wake-up call in 1998, a state auditor's report critical of the university's care of the mountain. This initiated a new era of stewardship of Mauna Kea with a focus on local, community-based management. This included a renewed commitment to protecting the cultural and natural resources of the mountain, while providing safe public access to UH-managed lands. The 11,288-acre Maunakea Science Reserve, access road, and mid-level facilities. In 2000, UH shifted stewardship to UH Hilo on Hawaii Island. The Office of Maunakea Management was created and is advised by 2 volunteer community boards, the Maunakea Management Board and the Kahuku Mauna Native Hawaiian Advisory Council. In 2001, the Mauna Kea Rangers program was established to provide first response emergency services and to monitor the cultural and natural resources in one of the most remote places in Hawaii. On duty every day of the year, the Rangers interact with 300,000 visitors annually, including cultural practitioners, residents, tourists, and observatory personnel. Since the 1970s, 7 unpaved miles of the road have been graded twice weekly and plowed of snow when necessary to ensure safe public access. This is funded by the observatories, which also support a weather service that provides up-to-the-minute weather alerts to the public. The university has a robust program protecting cultural resources and conducts rigorous annual monitoring of 263 cultural sites based on plans approved by the State Historic Preservation Division. The sites were identified in the university's extensive archaeological survey of more than 11,000 acres in its care. UH was honored for its work in 2017 when the Historic Hawaii Foundation presented the Office of Mauna Kea Management with its highest recognition of preservation, rehabilitation, restoration, and interpretation of the state's architectural, archaeological, and cultural heritage. The university has a strong program protecting natural resources that includes baseline inventories, long-term monitoring, and research of all life on the mountain. UH conducted an extensive botanical survey of the entire reserve and conducts regular surveys, native plant restoration projects, and invasive species control programs. Community volunteers have pulled weeds filling more than 1,800 garbage bags since 2012. One of the many successes is the Vaikiu bug, which can be found only on the summit of Mauna Kea. With concerns of its risk of extinction, the Vaikiu was listed as a candidate for federal protection in 1999. After years of intensive annual surveys and research supported by the university's commitment to protection, the Vaikiu was stabilized and removed as a candidate for protection in 2011. This work has been guided by the Mauna Kea Comprehensive Management Plan, developed over a multi-year period with extensive public input. The plan provides overarching management guidelines for public access, cultural resources, natural resources, and decommissioning of observatories. The plan and subplans were publicly approved by the UH Board of Regents and the State Board of Land and Natural Resources in 2009 and 2010. The state auditor positively acknowledged the university's work since 1998 in a 2014 follow-up audit when they stated, UH has developed several management plans that provide a comprehensive framework for managing and protecting Mauna Kea while balancing the competing interests of culture, conservation, scientific research, and recreation. The work is far from done, and UH is continuing to move forward with administrative rules that will enable the reduction and improved management of traffic on the mountain. And progress continues on decommissioning observatories to reduce the total footprint of astronomy on Mauna Kea. UH is committed to Mauna Kea as a global model that provides inspiration as well as harmonious synergy among culture, education, the environment, and scientific discovery. This remarkable mountain can help the people of Hawaii engage in the best astronomy in the world, while celebrating the preeminence of the first Hawaiians and Pacific Islanders as the best astronomers and voyagers on the planet.